In Ferndale, homeowners are increasingly considering ways to enhance the energy efficiency of their homes. Among the most effective upgrades is the installation of picture windows. These large, fixed windows offer a range of benefits, especially when it comes to reducing energy consumption and improving overall comfort. In this article, we will explore the energy efficiency advantages of picture windows and why they are an excellent choice for homeowners in Ferndale. What are picture windows? Picture windows are large, fixed panes of glass with no moving parts. They provide unobstructed views and can be designed to fit a wide range of architectural styles. Unlike other window types, picture windows don't open, which means they don't rely on moving mechanisms or seals that can wear out over time. This makes them an ideal choice for enhancing energy efficiency. How picture windows improve energy efficiency? Better insulation and reduced air leaks. One of the key benefits of picture windows is their ability to reduce air leaks. Traditional windows with operational sashes, such as double-hung or sliding windows, have gaps around the edges that can allow drafts to enter and escape. Over time, these gaps can lead to significant heat loss, particularly in winter, and can make your home feel colder than it should. Picture windows, on the other hand, are designed to be completely sealed. The lack of operational parts means fewer places for air to infiltrate. When combined with high-quality, energy-efficient framing materials, picture windows can significantly reduce air leakage and improve insulation, keeping your home comfortable year-round. This can help maintain a more stable indoor temperature and reduce the strain on your heating and cooling systems. Enhanced thermal performance with modern glazing. Another energy efficiency advantage of picture windows is their ability to incorporate advanced glazing technologies. Modern picture windows often feature double or triple glazing, where 2 or 3 layers of glass are separated by an insulating gas like argon or krypton. These insulating layers act as barriers to heat transfer, preventing the loss of warmth during colder months and keeping cool air inside during the summer. In Ferndale, where temperatures can fluctuate throughout the year, picture windows with energy-efficient glazing can make a significant difference in reducing heating and cooling costs. The multi-layered glass traps more heat inside during the winter and blocks heat from entering during the summer, thus reducing the need for constant air conditioning or heating. Optimal sunlight and passive heating. Ferndale enjoys many sunny days throughout the year, and picture windows allow homeowners to take full advantage of this natural resource. Because picture windows are designed to be large and unobstructed, they can maximize the amount of sunlight entering a home. This natural light can reduce the need for artificial lighting during the day, contributing to overall energy savings. Additionally, on sunny days, picture windows can help with passive heating. Sunlight can naturally warm up your home through the glass, reducing the need to use your heating system. This is particularly beneficial during Ferndale's colder months, where the sun's rays can provide enough warmth to lower heating bills, even if just for part of the day. Lower HVAC costs. Because picture windows help maintain a comfortable indoor temperature and reduce the need for artificial heating or cooling, they can lead to significant savings on energy bills. By minimizing the demand on your HVAC system, Picture Windows can extend the life of your heating and air conditioning units. This not only saves you money on energy costs but also reduces the frequency of maintenance and potential repairs. Sustainable and eco-friendly design. Choosing energy-efficient Picture Windows is also a step toward a more sustainable and eco-friendly home. With less reliance on heating and cooling systems, homeowners can reduce their carbon footprint. By lowering energy consumption, Picture Windows help decrease the amount of fossil fuel used for power generation, leading to a greener and more environmentally responsible home. Why choose Picture Windows in Ferndale? Ferndale, known for its charming homes and a mix of modern and traditional architecture, is an ideal location for Picture Windows. The large, clear glass panes offer breathtaking views of the surrounding landscapes, from scenic parks to vibrant neighborhoods. Additionally, Picture Windows work well in a variety of home designs, providing both aesthetic appeal and practical energy efficiency. By investing in Picture Windows, homeowners in Ferndale can enhance their home's energy efficiency, reduce utility costs, and contribute to a greener environment. Whether you're building a new home or upgrading your existing windows, Picture Windows are a smart choice for homeowners looking to enjoy the beauty of the outdoors while keeping their energy bills under control. In conclusion, Picture Windows not only provide exceptional views but also offer numerous energy efficiency advantages. With improved insulation, advanced glazing technologies, and enhanced natural heating and lighting, Picture Windows are a worthwhile investment for homeowners in Ferndale looking to create a more comfortable, energy-efficient living space.